Dictation, one of the most efficient way of quizzing spellings. It's simple, listen to the voice and write an answer. Yes, Tabschool LMS has taken care of this as well. As usual, log into your Tabschool teacher account and go to the Content Builder. Select Create Content and then browse or search Dictation. Install the tool in case it is not already installed. Click on Use. Add a title. Then add a task description. You will see that there is an option to add 2 types of audio. One normal audio, and the second slow audio. Then you can add a text or correct answer. Once you click on the sound sample option, you get 3 options. 1. Upload audio. 2. Link or URL of audio from a third-party source. 3. Record audio. Press the record button to record the voice and finish when you are done. Next, I'm adding another word. And this time I will upload the audio file from my computer. The first audio is in a normal voice and the second is in a slow voice. Then write the answer. In a similar fashion, add as much audio as you wish. I am adding about 6 audios. Then add overall feedback. Then edit the behavioral settings. Lastly, add a title. Description, select a class, section and subject. And click Create and Send. It is done.